Mind what you do to people, because at the end of the day, you will not know how you're hurting
This
them.
story I'm about to share with you is a personal story about my life. Me, vibe with Sonia.
This was exactly what happened to me when I was in secondary school. Anyways, with that being said, I will first of all welcome you to my channel.
So hi, if this is the first time you're tuning in, you're watching Vibe with Sonia. My name is Sonia.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy this video as I share my personal life story with you guys.
So when I was in secondary school,
I am this kind of person that is not outspoken.
not because I don't want to talk, but because
anytime I talk, people always body shame my English or my voice.
So that alone made me lose confidence in myself.
So there is this guy that is my senior, and his sister is my classmate. Whenever I talk or whenever he see me, he always said I have big voice.
And the annoying part is that whenever this guy wants to say it, then he'll make sure he say it so loud.
So that alone got me scared. I lose confidence in myself totally.
Anytime I see this my particular senior in question or in quotes, I will never talk.
Even if my friends are talking to me, I begin to answer all in the name of I don't want to make people recognize that I have a big voice.
And this alone made me lose confidence in myself.
So whenever they are going for quiz or every other good thing that will make people talk or hold mic,
I don't talk because of this my particular senior. I prefer to dance or participate in other things.
It got to a point I don't even want to cross paths with this senior at all.
And you know secondary schools now, seniors will always come to your class or ask you to do one or two
But
things.
how do I tell this senior to stop telling me that I have big voice?
It becomes a big problem. And when my dad built his house and then we relocate to another
I started
site,
disturbing my mom.
I told my mom I want to change my school by all means.
Honestly, reason is not because I want to change. Reason is because that guy always body shamed me and said I have big voice.
So I needed space. I needed big space from him so that he will not even see me again or will not cross paths.
Funny enough, my best friend, as at then, also moved to the side that we are staying.
Her dad also built their own house.
And then her mom and my mom became friends as well.
So that alone was a huge opportunity for me to tell my mom that I needed to change school.
Because that my best friend already told me that she is definitely going to change school, although I don't know what she must have been passing through on her own angle.
And then I started begging and telling my mom, please, I want to change school. My friend is changing school. Please let me change school as well.
So my mom said, okay, if that's the final decision, no problem. As your friend is going to register, I will also go and register you.
To be honest, the very day my mom changed that school for me felt like I just won a lottery.
Although I knew I never told my friends that this was what I was going through, but I don't even know if at the same time my friends were seeing the pains I was passing through.
But I changed school. The first thing I said in my mind is, oh, thank you, Jesus. At last, I will not have this guy or see him again or even hear his voice again at all.
Even though that school I actually changed was even far more better and more expensive than the current one I switched to. I was so happy.
I was happy because at least nobody's going to body shame me again. I am not going to be hearing that, oh, you have a big voice. Oh, you don't need to speak. Your voice is too loud. Faith the big voice. Sonia the big voice again. It was a pleasure.
And I couldn't even realize that this guy was really messing around with my brain until I grew up. Trust me, guys.
At this point of my life, I feel I would have fought back, or I would have said something back, or I would have challenged him back somehow. I don't know.
But anyways, time flies and time goes, so we move.
The lesson in today's video is please don't body shame anybody because you don't know what they are going through.
And honestly, to be sincere, as at that point, I didn't even know that my voice was as loud as the boy always say, yo, you have a big voice.
Anyways, some of my secondary school mates are also watching this. I don't know if they could actually remember all of these scenarios,
but this was what I went through. I ended up losing my best school to a lesser school, but I really do not mind as at that time.
So with all due respect, everybody is unique in his or her own way. Always learn to appreciate people no matter how they are. Stop body shaming them, please.
Because you don't know the kind of trauma or the kind of heart attack you are causing inside, okay?
But I thank God today, the same girl that has a big voice, the same girl that has a loud voice is now making impact and is also making difference on social media platform. Isn't that beautiful?
Anyways, make una talk through for comment section. I get loud voice, make una let me know. But right now, nobody can actually body shame me because I no send you again.
So with all of that being said, make we continue to make our stew jare. Abi una want make I bring another story like this, make una let me know for comment section because I have a whole lot of stories that I can actually share with you. My personal life story, guys. So still continue. Anyways, I'm just pouring back the protein inside the stew.
And if you watch my last video, I told you guys that I'm going to be doing a video of making of the stew stuff, blah, 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 like that. Or if you've not watched my last video, please go back and watch my last video so that you will not be confused.
One thing I will say in this video is that in anything you are doing, just be you, just be yourself. Make sure that nobody is body shaming you or doing anything that will make you think abstract.
Going back to our stew, I added my leaf because what I said I actually wanted to make is red oil
this stew. Okay, I don't want to use granite oil to do it. So after mixing every other stuff that I have to add my leaf as well, ugu leaf to be precise. After that, I have to head straight to my sink and start washing. So during the process of preparing my stew, I mistakenly pour my palm oil, almost half of the bottle self. So I have to use on my kitchen rag to like clean them. That is what you're seeing here. But first of all, I said before I will move to that place, I have to make sure I wash all my dishes, wash even my mortar, wash even my blenders, wash even my basket and every other stuff that I've used in preparing sieve for that matter, no be basket I beg. So after that, I have to rinse my plate thoroughly before I will head straight to my towel and start washing my kitchen towels. So anyways, my red oil pour, and you can see how the red oil is coming out of the kitchen towel. So I have to use my liquid soap to wash them very well to make sure that everywhere is clean. So after washing, I also have to make sure I clean my sink, clean my kitchen walls and every other places. You guys know how we run our package here. So after that, I move straight to my gas. What they call this, four burner stand or gas stand, I don't even know what to call it. Jesus, look at anyway, Sonia. So I started by scrubbing it very well with soap and scrub. So after scrubbing it, I have to use the kitchen towel to clean the surface very well. I noticed that this one was not sitting well, so I have to make sure I arrange it so that it can sit well, so that I can also clean the burner. After that, I have to set the gas stove on it. After I set it, I have to move straight to where I'm going to dish my food. At this point, my big madam said she's not eating now, so I'm the only one that is eating now, and hubby is not back at this point, so I have to like just dish my own food. Then I also have to like dish my own stew as well. But trust me guys, if it says this stew was so yummy. I was so proud of myself. In all you do, make sure you are proud of yourself. If they're not ginger you, ginger yourself. Nobody clap for you, clap for yourself. You can see the grace of God upon this food, guys. And I actually prepared this stew with goat's meat. Okay, so I don't know why these days I love my goat's meat. This is me showing you guys the grace of God on this food, and then I eat, then I'm gonna talk to you guys. I'll come back.
Hey guys, welcome to another beautiful vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So today I have a product that is being sent to me by Pressy Organics. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys all of that, and I'm going there right now to go and pick it up. I was actually doing something here in this environment. This is not my environment. That's why the environment is different. Okay, so she called me that the thing is already there, that they're calling me that I should come and take it. Anyways, so I'm going there. I'll carry you guys along. Enjoy the rest of this vlog. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. I have my friend here. I don't know if she wants to say hi, because this one she like hiding her face. Can you
Hi.
see? Can you imagine? This is the first time I'm actually showing on this channel.
So in the journey of going to get my product that was sent to me by Pressy Luxury Beauty Zone, I actually saw this bed this thing stand that I wanted to get for Didi, but the thing was that the money was quite expensive, so I was not able to so I just encouraged myself that once I get money, I'll get another one for her since my money was not enough. So unbox with us Pressy Luxury Beauty Zone. So this was how she packaged it for us. It comes with her face cream. If you don't know, Pressy Luxury Beauty Zone deal with all organic products. So this is the face cream, and this is the body lotion. It also comes with body shower as well. So this is me like showing you guys. You can also check her out on Facebook. You can check her out on Instagram and see all the wonders review that this product has actually been given. This is the face soap, and it also comes with this thank you bag that contain the lip repairer balm and the lip repairer cream. So you can see it here. This is me testing it out. Check it and check it out in the description box. I'm going to be leaving all the details that you'll be needing in the comment section. If you don't know, this video is proudly sponsored by Pressy Luxury Beauty Zone. Patronize her today and thank me later. I love you guys. Bye.